Yaskawa. This video shows how to troubleshoot and resolve error ID 4658, 4659, and 4660 on a PLCopen function block in MotionWorks IEC. The reason for each of these errors is that one of the input parameters to the block is set to 0 or less. Kind of makes sense, right? You can't move with 0 speed or 0 acceleration. This MC move relative executed with error ID 4658. The first step to troubleshooting any block error ID is to right-click on the block for help. At the bottom is a table of all possible error IDs for the block, and you can see that each of these three errors have similar descriptions, that the input is less than or equal to 0. The current error 4658 means velocity is 0, and in debug mode, sure enough, it is. There are a couple of ways to fix this. A quick but temporary fix is in debug mode to double-click the variable and enter a value such as 5.0. And now the block executes. But when power is cycled, which applies warm start, the value goes back to 0. A more permanent solution is to set the initial value that the variable will have at warm start. Currently, the value is 0 after warm start because when the variable was created, the initial value field was left blank. Change the initial value in the code and download changes. But notice that the initial value was not applied. Why not? The initial value is applied only at warm start. We'll stop and warm start, and you see now the values are applied and the block executes without errors. And as one final note, if the variable is marked retain, then the value of the variable is saved by battery backup while power is off, and the initial value will not be applied at warm start. Instead, the initial value is applied only at cold start. Thanks for watching this video, and remember yaskawa.com/IEC for application notes, videos, firmware updates, and more.